आप सभी का हमारे चैनल में स्वागत है। दोस्तों, आज हम आपको कुछ ट्रिगो के बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स को सिखाने चल रहे हैं जो कि आपके डिफरेंट प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जाते हैं। उससे रिलेटेड जो ट्रिगो से कॉन्सेप्ट है उसको सेपरेट करके हम आपको वो कॉन्सेप्ट सिखा रहे हैं जिससे कि आपको अपने एग्ज़ाम में हेल्प हो सके। दोस्तों, एज अभी हमने क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किया जिसमें एक फॉर्मूला था। इन दिस द फॉर्मूला वाज a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस b इन वन ब्रैकेट एंड इन सेकेंड ब्रैकेट a माइनस b। ये फॉर्मूला हमने डिस्कस किया। बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मूला वी आर गोइंग टू सी द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दैट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। In trigonometry, there are few identities that we are going to explain you. उसमें एक concept है that identities are there. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. This is identity. When you see this is very important identity of the trigonometry. Now, with the help of this formula, this cosec square theta minus cot square theta can be written as a plus b into a minus b in the form. So, therefore, it can be written as cosec theta plus cot theta. A plus b into a minus b means cosec theta minus cos theta minus cot theta, which is equals to 1. Means one's plus and one's minus, and the multiplication of both is equals to 1. So where is the use of this concept? Just see this one. Here the question is given. इस पे कई क्वेश्चंस हमें एग्जाम्स में मिले हैं। if cosec theta plus cos theta plus cot theta equals to 3. If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 3, then find the value of, then find cosec theta minus cot theta. इसकी वैल्यू हमें फाइंड करनी है, राइट? So as you know that the multiplication of both is 1. So in this you just substitute cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 3 multiplied by cosec theta minus cot theta, and they both are equals to 1. So from here you can get the value of cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1 upon 3. So what you got? If cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to 3, then cosec theta plus minus cot theta is equals to 1 upon 3. Why? As you know that product of these two numbers, product is equals to 1. Means cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta is equals to 1. So you can use this concept somewhere. It is asking there in the competition examination, right? So वहाँ पे आपको वो concept like ना करे, that's why I am explaining this one. So one more, that identity is there. Question, the identity is sec square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So similarly this can be written as sec theta plus tan theta multiplied by sec theta minus tan theta equals to 1. Means the product of these two number is 1. Right now, similarly the question can be asked, if this is equals to 3 or if this is equals to 4, then what is the value of this one, right? So अभी आपका क्वेश्चन क्या कहता है? क्वेश्चन ये कहता है if sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 4. So similarly in the above concept we have read, therefore we will get the answer sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 upon 4, is your answer, and you can solve this type of question in a very short time. तो दोस्तों ये फॉर्मूला आपको लर्न रखना है, a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. With the concept of this one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1 is the identity of trigonometric identities. Similarly here this one is the identity. With the help of this identity, similarly this is the identity sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1, and the same concept we can apply if as it is a square minus b square, so it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. So sec theta plus tan theta multiplied by sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. So इन दोनों में से अगर एक कोई दिया है, so the second one will be 1 upon that number. So it means sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 4, then sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 upon 4. Right? So formula and concept लर्न कर लीजिएगा जिससे कि आपको एग्जाम में प्रॉब्लम ना हो. और इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको अलग अलग डिफरेंट प्रतियोगी परीक्षाओं में पूछे जा चुके हैं जो कि आपके लिए टाइम टेकन हो सकता है. तो फॉर्मूलाज आइडेंटिटीज अगर लर्न रहेगी सो यू कैन सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चंस इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम. राइट?